Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take a closer look at one of the most powerful and versatile folding e-bikes on the market, the Cybervelo 1000W folding electric bike. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link below to grab this bike today at the best discounted price, because high-performance e-bikes like this don't stay in stock for long. Powerful 1000 watts motor. At the heart of this bike is a 1000 watts high-torque motor that delivers rapid acceleration and impressive hill climbing power. It can hit speeds of 30+ mph, letting you cruise past traffic with ease. Whether you're riding on city streets or rough trails, the motor feels responsive, smooth, and effortlessly powerful. This level of performance makes it ideal not just for commuting, but also for adventure riders who want something with serious muscle. Battery emoji, long-range removable battery. Equipped with a 48V 20.8Ah high-capacity removable battery, the Cybervelo offers an incredible max range of up to 80 miles per charge, with pedal assist. This means you can ride for days without worrying about recharging, perfect for long commutes, weekend rides, or extended off-road exploration. The battery locks securely into the frame and can be easily removed for charging indoors, which is a huge convenience for apartment or office users. Wheel emoji, rugged 20 fat tires. The bike rides on 20 inches by 4.0 inches fat tires that deliver excellent stability and grip on all types of terrain, pavement, gravel, sand, snow, or dirt. Combined with its durable frame and shock-absorbing suspension, the ride feels smooth and controlled even on rough surfaces. These wide tires also give it a commanding look and make it suitable for heavier riders or carrying cargo. Gear emoji, foldable and portable design. Despite its power, the Cybervelo folds down compactly, making it easy to transport and store. Whether you want to toss it in the trunk of your car or tuck it away in your office or apartment, it folds quickly and locks securely. This portability makes it one of the most practical high-performance e-bikes out there. Personal computer emoji, comfort and features. It comes with multiple riding modes, throttle, pedal assist, and manual, a digital LCD display, integrated front and rear lights, and dual disc brakes for reliable stopping power. The controls are intuitive and easy to access while riding, giving you complete confidence on the road. The seat and handlebars are adjustable to fit different rider heights comfortably. White check mark emoji, final verdict. The Cybervelo 1000 watts folding electric bike is a perfect blend of power, range, and portability. It's fast enough for thrill seekers, practical enough for daily commuters, and rugged enough for off-road riders, all while folding down to fit anywhere. If you want a high-speed, long-range e-bike that's built for adventure yet easy to store, this one is absolutely worth it. Fire emoji, check the link below now to grab this electric bike today at the best discounted price and take your riding experience to the next level.